Definitions of abiotic cool stress. Abiotic cool stress, salinity and mineral toxicity negative, impact growth, development, yield and seed quality of crop and another plants. The cool stress response is perceived by a plant through a signal transductions that lead to the activation of transcription factor and cool responsive genes. Introductions. The cool stress modifies gene expansions and plant metabolism, which cause fulfilling and freezing injuries, with consequent effect on many biological functions. Cool stress is significant abiotic stress that decreases crop productivity by affecting quality and preserves life. Cool stress affects all features of cellular functions in crops.
Discussion. The effects of cold stress on cell wall metabolism. Cold stress, which includes both chilling and freezing injuries, modifies gene expression and plant metabolism, leads to cell dehydration and may result in cell collapse if exposed to drastic cold and freezing. Cold acclimation induces changes in cell wall polysaccharide composition, change the activities of cell wall modifying enzymes, decreased the pore size of the cell wall, increased cell wall strength. Pectins appear to be a key element of the plant response to cold stress. Modification in pectin structure is accompanied by changes in neutral sugar composition. Increase in hemicellulose content will enhance cell wall stiffening and prevent cell wall collapse caused by dehydration. The observed changes in cell wall composition correlate with a strong upregulation of gene encoding proteins. During cold acclimation, ESP and STH gene expression was down. The functional role of STH was shown in Arabidopsis transgenic plant, which had an improved freezing tolerance. Lignification and changes in lignin content can occur during growth at low temperature. Lignin synthesis participates in cell wall modification by strengthening the cell wall, prevent from freezing damage and cell collapse. Temperatures between 5 degrees Celsius and 6 degrees Celsius have been considered as 0 point of plant growth and development. It is not yet known which biochemical processes control that seemingly universal growth limit. Both cell wall synthesis and lignification are potential candidates.
Cold stress effects on other cell wall components. First, we go to wall-associated kinase or WAK. WAK is commonly required in cell wall elongation and development. Although it late in signaling response, it also acts as cold stress sensor. It signals the cell wall by binding with either oligogalacturonide or pectin. When WAK binds with the pectin, it causes modification structure that also change neutral sugar composition in vegetative tissue. It increases the hemicellulose content, which enhances the cell wall stiffening that inhibit the cell collapse by dehydration. Next, we go to arabinogalactan proteins. Example of this AGP is GHAGP31. It's commonly found in cotton. Non-classic AGP contains a predicted signal peptide, a short AGP7 amino acids domain, a histresh, a pro-rich domain, PSC. This AGP detected to upregulate to take action on cold stress. GHAGP31 found overexpressed in transgenic Arabidopsis plant, confirmed to improve the cold stress tolerance in Arabidopsis seedling during early development in cold temperature.
Acclimation induces changes in cell wall polysaccharide composition and the activities in the cell wall for modifying enzyme. Pectin is a polysaccharide starch in the plant. During cold stress, pectin changes in neutral sugar composition in vegetative tissue to prevent freezing injury to plasma membrane.
on the low rising temperature and to pass their seasonal and lifelong growth state. On the species and the stress level, stress exposure tend to loosen and strengthen both the cell wall of the plant. One strategy is to improve the viscoelastic properties of the primary wall and modulating other wall loosening products, including pectin, to increase the status of the plant hydrating and maintain glucose pressure for development. While much progress has been made in the last decade in understanding the implication of cold stress for the metabolism of cell wall, a multidisciplinary approach involving physiology, biochemistry, proteomics, and genetics based on one species to cool stress. Future research is required in engineering plant with future global